Filling your clean water tank will make sure you have fresh cleaning solution to begin cleaning with your CrossWave Cordless Max. The clean water tank is located on the back of the machine. To remove, use your thumb and put it in the indent on the top middle of the tank and pull back. Unscrew the cap. The tank has two measuring volumes, large area cleaning and small area cleaning. For small areas up to 350 square feet, fill first with warm water, then formula to the small area fill lines. For large areas up to 750 square feet, fill first with warm water, then formula to the large area fill lines. Screw the cap back on the tank. Replace the tank by aligning it with the grooves and slide it back into place until you hear a click. Your CrossWave Cordless Max is now filled with formula and ready to clean.